Hello and welcome to Trex Tutorials. This is a tutorial on how to use the Deck Starter on Trex.com. This tool is used to help you design and price out your next deck with Trex. First, you will select the deck shape you want. For this tool, Trex offers a plan of rectangle, beveled edge, and overlook deck. I think we'll go with the rectangular plan since it's the most popular. If you're interested in something more custom, try the Deck Designer tool. Next, you'll be choosing the size deck you're planning to build. I think we'll go with a mid-range size deck. Looks to be about 192 square feet. Next, we'll have to specify if we already have a wood structure built. Let's assume we already have one. Now, we can select the color of the decking. At the top of this page, we can filter by color and find the perfect shade. Let's go with Spiced Rum. The next page will show you what railings pair best with the color you've just picked. Cocktail railings are a great addition to a deck, especially if you're interested in entertaining in an outdoor space. Last but not least, you can enter some basic contact information so it can send you a more detailed document about everything you've just picked, including a material list, building tips, tools to help you find a builder and a Trex retailer near you, and more to help you take the next step on your deck journey. This has been Trex Tutorials on the Deck Starter tool.